So this is AngelLoader here, as you can see. I got it zoomed in a bit so you can see. See? And so you got your normal tabs here. Now, there's a thread here with AngelLoader stuff in it, and someone made a feature request of having screenshots that you can see and, you know, do stuff with. And they mocked it up with the screenshot being next to the README here. And then, you know, someone else is like, yeah, and you should copy and paste the image and do gamma and stuff. So I didn't reply, choosing to be sneaky instead. But I've added a new screenshots tab up here. It'll show screenshots in your FM folder if you have any, right? So there's your stuff right there, and it selects the one you've got selected. You can cycle through them, right? Look at them, and you can't delete them, but you can copy by clicking. I don't know if I'll change that or whatever, but you know, you can adjust the gamma here. So in case you want to copy and just paste it into Discord, that works. I tested it. It's amazing. Now, of course, if your screenshots are like 4K, maybe they'll be slow to drag, but that's okay because an entire text box is also extremely slow to drag. Well, no, only when you drag the window. It's absolutely incredible. The competence of Microsoft here where you can drag the interior of a window and everything's fast, but if you go like this, it's like ultra slow. Yeah, incredible. Anyways, that's the screenshots tab. Now, I put it in a tab because I didn't really have a system for putting something beside the README, and I figured, you know, better just implement the feature in the easiest way possible, and then if I want to do something fancy, I can do something fancy. Well, I have added, never mind this weird graphical glitch. I don't know. It's a scaling issue, probably. Not my fault, right? Okay. So yeah, you could drag tabs to and from here. Now, this is not quite finished. You see the tab kind of got at the wrong place. It was supposed to go at the first position. So it's not quite finished, but you can see it's most of the way there, right? You got this optional thing where you can put the stuff beside the README if you want. You can even drag all your tabs there if you want to, so that you can have your entire top free to have like every single field, and it's still not enough. Incredible. You know? Because the thing is, this UI, the classic one up here, this is ripped right off of DarkLoader, right? And DarkLoader in its heyday, most people had 4x3 screens, so this sort of layout, you know, looking more like that would have made probably more sense. You know, because you wanted about that much space for your README, I guess. But now that people have got wide screens, and some people even got ultra-wide screens, you got this whole README taking up this massive horizontal space, which, you know, a README like Calendra here, it's not even taking up the whole thing with the text, so really you're wasting this entire space, and this whole tab section here is getting so cramped because there's so many tabs now that, you know, you can end up like this where you have to scroll through them, or you have to, like, hide a few, and I'm like, there's no reason why any part of a screen on a modern monitor should feel cramped, am I right? I mean, this is tiny. I mean, what is this, 1993? So that's why I decided to actually go ahead and implement this so that you can put it beside the README if you want and take all this wasted space. Like, I mean, you can bump it over, but even if you don't bump it over with a lot of READMEs, it's just going to be totally full-length text still, and you're going to have, like, more breathing room over here. So this will be optional, right? You know, if people just want the classic look up here, they can have the classic look. This section here will not even load until it is displayed. Totally lazy loaded. It will not affect your startup time or anything like that. So if you don't want to use it, it's totally cool. I haven't figured out how to let people know through the UI that you can drag, like put little thumb gripper there or something. I'm not really sure what to do to like let people know this is a thing they can do. But yeah, it's not quite done. There's little bugs and edge cases still, and there's still work to be done. For example, I want to put like this button down here so that if you do have tabs down here, you can like show and hide it. But then if you don't have any, it'll just hide completely so that you don't even have that button taking up space. It's just full width. So that's what I am working on. And, you know, hope you like it.